I'm going to read from I Heard a Bird and see what you think. At the beginning of every book, there's an introduction to the story so we can hear the song or see what that song might look like. And then what I also like to do is introduce one of the main protagonists, in this instance, the bird. And I often wonder kind of what happened before the story for the bird to fly into this story. So there's these kind of little things that tend to happen on this title page. I dedicate this book to those who make friends with birds. I think if you're making friends with something in the garden, for me it's bees and birds, what tends to happen is that has a knock-on effect to how we might engage with nature, but also what else comes into the garden, what comes into nature. And it's that sense of rewilding, things like this. So if we make friends with birds, then we might encourage other things to happen too. So that's why that dedication is there. Okay. I heard a bird. This is me. I heard a bird. We can see the colourful song of the bird in what is a beautiful, warm, sunny day. I heard the wailing warning call of two cats crouching on the wall. Meow, meow. I clapped. They scat. The bird had gone. I looked for the bird. I heard the trees as they rustled their leaves to greet the breeze. I heard the tapping grassy beat and felt the ground beneath my feet. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip. And all around the comforting sound of buzzing bees. Buzz, buzz, buzz. I crouched down. And what did I see? Woodlice wandering, caterpillars crawling, centipedes strolling, and ants patrolling. A spider spinning, a beetle burrowing. I heard a mouse scurrying, following its nose. And you can find out what happens by reading I Heard a Bird. Thanks for listening.